Hey guys, Katie here. So today I am going to be showing you guys this beautiful soft smoky glam look. I honestly love how this look turned out and I hope you guys love it too. First, I started out with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette. I really love this palette. I feel like his palettes are really consistent when it comes to pigmentation and blendability. I used the shade Sugarcane to start out with, and then I went in with the shade Cake Mix. Not only are these colors so aesthetically pleasing to look at, but the names are also so cute as well. Next, I went in with the shade Ouch, and I was really just building the intensity on that crease color. And when you go little by little, it just really helps make the look a lot more smoky and blend it out. The final matte shade that I used in the palette is called Intravenous. It's just a really beautiful matte brown shade. I used a tiny precise brush to apply it, and then I go in with a big fluffy blending brush to basically work it into my crease. So for lip liner, I used the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lip liner. This has been a go-to shade of mine. So for lipstick, I went in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Stockholm. This honestly has to be one of my favorite products from NYX. Depending on how I'm feeling, I do like to go in with a nude or black eyeliner. This is a black eyeliner from Milk Makeup. It's a long wear gel eyeliner in the shade Boss. This has honestly been my go-to. I freaking love Milk Makeup, you guys. Next, I am just cleaning up the brows a little bit, brightening up the inner corners with some concealer. So sometimes I do have to go in with a different palette. So this is just the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette, and I went in with the shade CULLINAN. This is honestly a go-to shade when it comes to inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight. I'm not gonna lie, there's been times in the past where I've completely skipped that step and I've ended up just ruining my look. So definitely blend out your highlights, people. For setting spray, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. This has been another go-to of mine. I love the pump of the spray and everything. I actually did a review of it if you guys want to go check it out. I will leave it in the link below. For lip gloss, I went in with the Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Honey I'm Home. I don't even use lip gloss that much, but I freaking love this one. It's bomb as frick. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this look. I am so proud of myself. I love this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.